In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record mileage in Zoho Books. Tracking mileage properly is really important if you want accurate expense records and clean books, especially for tax time or client billing. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to add a mileage expense in Zoho Books from start to finish, and I'll explain what each part of the screen is doing so you feel confident using it on your own. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From there, look for the Expenses section in the left-hand menu. Once you're on the Expenses page, move your eyes toward the top area of the screen. You'll see a small plus sign, usually near the word Expenses, or near the New button. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This is how you start creating a new expense entry. When you click the plus sign, Zoho Books will open a menu or a new screen with a few options for creating expenses. Among those options, look for the one labeled Record Mileage. This is different from a regular expense because it's specifically designed for trips made by car or other vehicles. Click on Record Mileage to open the mileage entry form. Now you'll see a page where you can fill in all the mileage details. Take your time here, because the more accurate this information is, the better your reports will be. Start by entering the date of the trip, so you know exactly when the mileage was incurred. Then specify the vehicle or category if your organization tracks different vehicles. You'll also want to add the starting point and destination, or at least a clear description of the trip, such as client meeting across town or delivery to warehouse. Next, enter the distance traveled. Depending on your settings, this might be in miles or kilometers. Some businesses use a rate per mile or per kilometer, and Zoho Books can automatically calculate the total expense based on that rate. Make sure the correct rate is applied and that the right account or category is selected, such as travel or vehicle expenses. If needed, you can also add notes for future reference, especially if you need to justify the trip later. Once all the details look correct, scroll down and click the Save button. Zoho Books will store this as a mileage expense, and it will now show up with your other expenses and in your